So this is take 3 of part 2 of my original BTC comparison video, which is comparing yesterday's beautiful 3-swing pullback and then entry to this not so beautiful looking pullback, and what in part 1 was a potential entry before getting distracted and coughing fit and distracted by visitors. But I did actually take the short scalp, and I just wanted to say why it wasn't so good as the first original trade yesterday. The pullback wasn't so strong, not so strong in the momentum. You know, this is clean, not clean at all, not powerful at all in the pullback, which suggests it was going to go sideways, and which, when you look at H4, which I did talk about briefly in part 1, it's nowhere near as good looking as the H4 situation over here. Strong, and over here where we entered, much stronger. The TMA is the icing on the cake. It's just a mess. So the scalp was sort of screaming that it's only a scalp, it's not going to be much of a continuation, although BTC is a beast. It's a beast to even trade. I trade it extremely small. It's a tool. You've got to use it as a tool for learning, which is a great tool because it teaches the absolute worst price action you could ever hope to watch, in my opinion. But that is just my opinion, and never listen to anything any trader says as if it's set in stone. We all change our opinions. You have to do your own due diligence, as it were, or just stare at charts for thousands of hours. You will learn the hard way, like I have, and everyone else that gets to this stage have. So yeah, just watch your charts and make up your own mind about how things move and how you should trade them. But BTC at the weekend, it can be flat all weekend. I've watched it 2 or 3 weekends in a row where nothing happens, and then the last 3 or 4 weekends it's been quite good. So anyway, I'm rambling now. So H4 ended up a doji. It's hidden behind that white line now. Get rid of that. There's the doji there. I'll delete that. And it was a green candle. I think it turned red briefly. Obviously it would have done because it is a doji, and confirmed that the scalp was on. And that's about all you can say about the H4. Now the other H4 is it'll be an inside bar if it continues like this for the next 3.5 hours. So, but having said that, I talked about the fact that we had the momentum, lovely RSIs, triggered the potential sell over there. Zoom out again now. Up here, and we actually got an RSI trigger over here as well. And as you move down the time frames, that's M30, the short setup looks better and better. Excuse me. Flat here, divergence showing. What else? More power here, exactly when I entered. M5 looks even better. So notice there's no triggers at all until that one. So we'd had all the accumulation, distribution, whatever you want to call it, manipulation, order filling, buying high, discounted orders, pushing price up, and to get a better price. That's all what the algos and things do. Zoom out, and as you can see, we've got a beautiful, strong move. And as I was talking about this in take 2, take 1, whatever, I spotted that 2B reversal. I mean, that is a thing of beauty. Not suggesting for 1 minute it was a trade to the long side, but having said that, my analysis was that this is sideways based on all the time frames. So if this was something sensible, I'm talking about the time of day, the instrument, and all that lot, if it all stacked up right, then it is what it is. There's There's the low. That's the breakthrough. That's the high of the breakthrough there, the red candle. And then there's a 3CR. And then this was a beautiful, perfectly good, powerful 2B reversal up. Just to that old level of support that I drew on the charts there. So, you know, I mean, all of this, there's no avoiding the screen time, guys. You just can't get out of it, you know. Oh, and on this particular template, I've been using SS support and resistance as well. I really like that. It wouldn't have even got onto my charts if I didn't like it. But other things to mention that I haven't mentioned for a long, long while is old 3CRs. You know, there's a 3CR there, and they are significant areas of support and resistance. Buyers and sellers breaking each other. Sorry, that there, and you can see how that's used. And there's another 3CR up here. This is a 5-minute chart, isn't it? So I don't mention these levels enough because they are magnetic levels to price as well. And the higher the time frame, the more magnetic the level. So if you get everything set up on these indicators that looks right and the time of day looks right, then there's no reason not to have a go. And whatever happens, they will cause price to stutter, which is what, as a scalper, I do not want to suffer. I just want to take it straight to the first level of significance. And the beauty about the 3CR is that you'll find it will override like existing ideas of supply and demand, which is the open and close of those two candles. You'll see it go cut through those like butter and go to the 3CR. Here's a good example, you know. I mean, it went straight through those 4 M15 lows to smack the 3CR. That is because they are old, significant levels, battlegrounds of supply and demand. Anyway, I've gone totally off topic. Apologies for that. That always happens, but I'm getting right back into the video stuff now. So hopefully this may have had some value for you. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget, comment please, guys. Anything nice would be nice. And as they all say, subscribe if you're not already subscribing. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Good Sunday. Now I've got to work out how to switch this OBS off.